When you want to come in and customize the Libby template to make it your own, it's really simple to do. First, you're going to receive a tutorial as soon as you purchase the website template, and that will explain how to do all of this. But just real quickly, I'm going to give you a visual on how to come in and customize this template. So I'm in the back end of Squarespace and I clicked on design. From there, I'm going to go to site styles, and this is where you can actually update all of the fonts and the colors on your website. So let's say that black is just not in my color palette and I want to change this to a blue, a deep blue. So I'm going to click on the section that I want to change, and you'll notice that it pulls up a panel of options for that section that you clicked on. So here's the background that I want to update, and I'm going to pull my cursor into this blue section here, and then I'm going to drag. You can certainly come in and paste your hex number, but for right now, I'm just going to look for an image or a color that I like best. That looks pretty good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy this HSL code because I want to make sure that if I'm going to use this color, it's consistent throughout the site. So I'm also going to make this black section here, I'm going to make it that same color blue as well. So this is an image card layout in Squarespace, and you can see card background color is right here on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to paste in that same blue section, and there we go. Now my homepage is starting to look a little bit more on brand. So that's how you change colors on your website. Now let's go and show you how to update the images. So going back, getting out of the site style section, you'll notice when you hover over a banner, you're going to see this edit option. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that will now open up the editor for this section of my website. So here would be a good spot to put in an image of myself or maybe something that I sell, anything that's going to really showcase the personality of my business. What I love about Squarespace is you can upload your own image, or you can search their free stock image library by Unsplash. So I'm just going to type in happy girl. So I'm going to add this one right here. I like the way that that kind of complements the colors that I've already picked out and the vibe. So once that loads, I'll hit apply and I can leave that section. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to hit apply and save. And now I'm going to scroll down and let's go ahead and update this. So this is the About Me section. You'll obviously want to come in and put in your own text. You can easily do so just by hitting edit and then highlighting the text that you want to update, and go ahead and put in your own text. Now, let's say you want to change these links. You can certainly do that. So right now we have my blog, work with me, and my shop. If you wanted to change this maybe to my blog, contact, and my shop, you would just click on this, change the text. You would click on this, change the text to say contact, and then when you're ready to link something, you'll highlight that, click this little hyperlink icon. Right now it's linking to services. If I click on this cogwheel here and make sure that page is selected on the left-hand side menu, I'm going to change it from services to contact. So I'll just go ahead and find my contact page and hit save, and then apply, and make sure that you save the section when you're done. So that is how you add your own colors, your own images. If I wanted to change the background here, which you probably will, you can easily do that by removing this image and selecting your own image. So let's do maybe a beach. Something that kind of goes with the color palette that I've selected. I'm going to choose this one and hit add to site. And that will just show you how you can change out the background image on this template. You can also remove it altogether so that you don't have a background image. That would be perfectly fine as well. It just gives it a little bit more depth and character.